Hello, today I am going to show you how I made this cute kitchen wall decor for the kitchen studio project. Don't forget to check the materials and measurements on the description box. Before you begin, print the materials that you need. You can download the same images on the link provided. This images also contains book and magazine covers that I will add on my kitchen. And the photos are from Pinterest, and I also provided enough spacing for the frame. Take your cardstock and draw a square with the measurement of 33 by 33 millimeters. Then cut the square and make two of this. Take one of the squares and draw a 4.5 millimeters margin on each side. Using a fresh cutting blade, remove the inner part of the square following the line to create a window opening. Then set it aside. Next, take the second square and draw a 3 millimeters margin on each side. Then remove the inner part to create the window opening. Next, glue the two pieces together and let the glue dry. So here I used the window mat to trace on the picture and use that to guide me when cutting the pictures. Then I applied glue to the back of the window mat and glue this on top of the image. Measure the photo again and use this as a guide to cut the angle on your matchstick. Then, cut an angled side on each end of the matchstick using an angle scissors. If you don't have any angle scissors, you can also use a cutting blade. Prepare 4 of these for each side of the photo. Sand the edges and any rough areas of the matchsticks. If you are going for the natural look, you can directly glue the matchstick, but if you want to have color, better paint it before gluing it to the photo. Before gluing the wood, you can also add acetate as a faux glass, or you can also opt it out. It really depends on your preference. I have a set that has acetate on it and the other one doesn't have any, and they both look really nice. So it's really up to you if you want a glass or without glass. And here's how they look like. Also, here are the books and magazines that were in the PDF file. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and get notified for new videos. Bye bye and see you next week.